Mr. President, convene another demonstration with the police alongside you. Then let us march together and demand to know where are these young people? Who took them? Who killed them? You are not a bad man. You're a good man. I know you can demonstrate. I know you can join these young people, these young lads. They are your daughters, they are your sons. They just want answers. They want comfort. You know, this is a generation that is frustrated. They have gone to school. They have done everything that is supposed of them, but they're jobless. They are just seated there. They have nothing to do. And that is, you see, did you see a very bad statement, a very sensitive statement that you need to address as quick as possible? They wrote their obituaries. They wrote their obituaries that this is the day I am dying, that I died on 25th. And I was born this year, and this is the year I died. Some of them had paid mortuary bills, that they didn't want to bother their families. They didn't want to bother anybody. And then they say, this is what is going to be read, not that which you're going to write. That's a very, very dangerous statement, Mr. President. It is very, very, I know you might not care, but that should make you to start caring.